Now I'm up to the stage of putting the aluminium piece in for the water stop for the shower. This is the shape that the owners want, because by cutting off the corner they're able to get to their vanity a lot more easily. If it was square, it wouldn't quite work. You've got that corner of the shower all the time. So the best thing is to cut the corner off like that, which is cool. So we're just in the process of, you always make sure that you've siliconed it properly. And then your home and hose. Then I can do my next coat. Don't forget your ends there and your joins in the aluminium. If you're going to have a leak, that's where it'll be. So pay special attention. The joins in your aluminium. Your end here against the wall, very, very important. And your home and hose. Give it all a bit of a smooth off. Any holes. Get filled in, you know, holes that you can't see or anything like that. Goop it up. Getting cramp. You get that. I've got to go around those tap fittings too before I go too far. I noticed it before that I hadn't done around this tap fitting, but no biggie. Just like that, and then you get your spatula just to smooth it off. That hole there, well, that's a light switch. That's all good, all good. I'll do around this pipe here. You don't have to be super good with your silicone. It's just, you're just blocking up holes, not finishing. It's not finishing silicone like on your tiles. It's purely as a waterproof. Cool. I like it. Come back to you shortly. I always like to brush in the second coat because it's thicker. Then tomorrow morning when I screed it, it'll get a third coat. But that's always from a slurry, like I've said before. So I come up roughly 200 mil. Bob's uncle. I've measured my aluminium twice. You always measure twice, cut once. I've measured for square. You make sure it's square with your walls. If in doubt, measure again, and you're home and hose. Now DIY people, if you're doing your own bathroom, this is how you do it. Always putting waterproof into your corners to make sure it's waterproof. And that's your shower base. I am going to give it another coat in here and work my way out, and then I'll be going into the toilet. Alright, but I don't want to bore you. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you would. We'll see you soon. Bye.